This tutorial is for 5th grade, Module 5, Lesson 17. In this lesson, we're going to review the properties of quadrilaterals. Well, first of all, a quadrilateral refers to any polygon that has 4 sides. And if you think about that prefix on quadrilateral, there are a lot of words that we know that start with that QUA that have some sort of reference to 4, as 4 quarters make a dollar. You have 4 muscles in your legs called quadriceps. Oftentimes on college campuses, they have an area called the quad, which is surrounded by 4 sides. So we like to think of that QUA prefix as referring to 4. In this diagram, all of these shapes are quadrilaterals because they all have 4 sides. If we follow the lines down, we can see that there are special types of quadrilaterals. This first line refers to our trapezoids. The trapezoids have one set of parallel sides. To mark the parallel sides, we use little arrow notations to mark the sides that are parallel. The trapezoid down below that is considered an isosceles trapezoid because it has 2 equal sides. To mark equal sides or congruent sides, we would use little hash marks. So that tells me those sides are equal in length. The little arrows tell me that the sides are parallel. If we go down the center, we go from quadrilateral to a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a 4-sided figure. That's what makes it a quadrilateral. And it has 2 sets of parallel sides. So you can see that these sides are parallel, and the top and bottom are parallel as well. You can also notice that opposite sides are equal or congruent. So we can put these little marks on to show that those sides are equal to each other and that these sides are equal to each other. The parallelogram is split into 2 categories. We have a rectangle. The rectangle is a special parallelogram because it has 4 right angles. The rhombus is a special parallelogram because it has 4 sides of equal length. The square fits into the special category of being a rhombus and a rectangle. It's a rectangle because it has 4 right angles. So any quadrilateral that has 4 right angles is a rectangle. It's a rhombus because it has 4 equal sides. And any quadrilateral that has 4 equal sides is a rhombus. So the square is a special shape because it fits in both those categories. The shape we have off to the side is a kite. A kite is a shape that has 2 sides that are equal in length and they're next to each other. So we call those adjacent sides. So these sides are adjacent and they're equal. These 2 sides are adjacent and they're equal. Notice that the kite does not have any parallel sides. That's why it doesn't fit in with the parallelogram or with the trapezoid. So you can see the marks that we use to identify the different parts of the quadrilaterals on whether the sides are parallel or equal in length. And you can see how the shapes fit within this hierarchy of quadrilaterals.